A supportive and affirming space for kids is in partnership with two established Charleston institutions. Let's welcome Chandler Massengale, Director of Mental Health Programs at We Are Family. Good to have you with us.
Yeah, thank you.
So We Are Family, remind our viewers what you do there and the programs that you offer.
Yeah, absolutely. So We Are Family is the LGBTQ Youth Center here in North Charleston. We have a plethora of programs that we offer, including social support groups, and KidSpace is one of those support groups.
Yes, and so KidSpace, this is something that's been going on since the start of the year.
Yes.
You're in partnership with two already established institutions here. Can you tell us what those two institutions are and what you do at KidSpace?
Yeah, so our two different institutions that we have our collaboration with is the Play Therapy Center of Charleston. It's run by a bunch of really great play therapists who are super duper awesome. And then we just recently, a couple weeks ago, began our partnership with the Children's Museum of the Low Country.
Oh, great, great. And so what do you do with KidSpace? So what are the age ranges, first of all, who can enroll in these programs?
Absolutely. So it's any youth who is 10 and younger. So we're kind of meeting that elementary school group of kids. And we get together and hang out and play. Yeah. I'm a big believer in thinking that play is how we gain support and how we learn things, especially no matter if you're a kid or an adult, all of it together. Yeah,
absolutely. So because it's associated with We Are Family and you do champion the LGBTQ community, is this for all children, or who is it targeted for?
Yeah, so it is targeted for LGBTQ children. Anyone's welcome to bring their siblings along, their friends along with them too, but our core group of people is LGBTQ children.
Okay, and for folks who are hearing this and you say for children 10 and younger, so I guess my question for you is, does a child know by that age, that they're kind of going through something that may be a little bit confusing, and what are the therapists who are on site to help with that play and all of that? How do they then work with the child?
Yeah, so we definitely know that kids of any age kind of are figuring out who they are as they're getting older, right? And we can say that for kids who are cisgender and straight as well, they're figuring out who they are as people in that time. Yeah. And so definitely we can see that there's a lot of questioning and trying to figure out who you are, and our play therapists who come and help us with that group, they're helping facilitate that, but a big part of play therapy is letting them play and explore who they are as people. So that's kind of how we're putting it all together, and it's really great supportive environment for the families as well. They're able to meet people who have kids of the same age, so it's wonderful.
Right, so it's not just a resource for kids, it's also a resource for parents as well.
Absolutely, yeah.
And then if, a therapist happens upon a child that needs more support, what would the next steps be?
Absolutely, so that child and their family can go work with that therapist if they would like to. We also have a really, really big network of people who and other therapists who we can provide services through. So that could be the next step through that. And we have our little network of people.
Okay, and each group meets on the last Saturday of the month from 2 to 4 p.m. There's various locations. So the best way for people to find out more information, where do they go?
Yes, so they can go to wearefamily.org. And it also has underneath our programming page that has information about the KidSpace, resources for parents, and then also on our events page it has a little bit more information about when we have it.
Wonderful. Chandler, thank you so much.
Thank you.
Appreciate your time. We're back after this.